Russia welcomes the UN's invitation to attend Syria talk. The number of coronavirus cases across the world has crossed 22.5 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 790,000 lives so far. Prime Minister Imran Khan will launch a program to provide Sehat Insaf Card to every family of KPK Pakistan. The US terminates 3 bilateral agreements with Hong Kong. Turkey in talks with Germany, China, Russia on vaccine trials. Boko Haram fighters take 100 hostage in Nigeria, Borno state. Pakistani activist Malala Yousafzai is gearing up to highlight lesser-known writers through her upcoming book club launch. California wildfire displaced 1,000 warning issue. Iran has launched 2 new long-range missiles on the occasion of its National Defense Industry Day. China and the United States have agreed to hold trade talks soon. France says its military operation Barkhane will continue in Mali. Greek PM denies refuge pushback claims. Jakarta displays dummy coffin as a COVID-19 warning.